Hi guys, it's Simon C here, back with artificial intelligence news. Let's start with Eleuther AI, a collective of researchers working to open source AI research, which is developing GPT-NEO, a series of transformer-based language models loosely styled around the GPT architecture that they plan to train and open source. The researchers' primary goal is indeed to replicate a GPT-3 sized model, which has 175 billion parameters, a huge model, and open source it to the public for free. Along the way, they're running experiments with alternative architectures and attention types, releasing any intermediate models, and writing about them on their blog. Microsoft recently launched a large-scale multilingual spelling correction model worldwide with high precision and high recall in 100 plus languages. These models, technology they collectively call Speller 100, are currently helping to improve search results for these languages in their browser Bing. This is a huge step forward, especially when considering that spelling correction was available for just a few dozen languages a short time ago. This was made possible by leveraging recent advances in artificial intelligence, particularly zero-shot learning combined with carefully designed large-scale pre-training tasks, and they also draw on historical linguistics theories. Porsche's AI-powered recommendation engine will use machine learning to help suggest the car configurations that will best suit you. Porsche went about building the recommendation engine by training 270 separate machine learning models based on different markets and other unique criteria. This allows the AI to tailor its recommendation with a high degree of specificity and an accuracy as high as 90%, claims Porsche, and it's only going to get more accurate as more people use it. That's the benefit of machine learning. Vogue reports that Rebug launches Clay AI image recognition. After downloading the Rebug app from any app store, you snap a photo of the bag you're thinking about selling with your camera phone, and Rebug's Clay AI produces a handful of search results on the smartphone. You choose a match and the tool generates a price. It's fully immediate. You get the price, and if you like the price, you're done, says Rebug's CEO Gora. Rebug can't send a drone to pick the bag from your apartment, not yet at least. But it's a streamlined process. You print your shipping label, the bag is in the box, and you haven't interacted with anyone to make it happen. Sony patents AI-generated difficulty levels for boss fights. Sony states that a machine learning system can be used to dynamically increase or decrease the difficulty levels of boss fights, for example in games. Such a deep learning system will override the default difficulty levels placed in by developers, and instead learn from players and how they endure during particular boss fights. If players, for example, have discovered an attack pattern to defeat a particular boss, making that boss too easy to defeat, the game may increase the difficulty levels of that boss to counter the said attack pattern. That, however, works both ways. If a boss is stomping players left and right, the game may force the boss to provide an opening by limiting its attacks. The School of Informatics of the University of Edinburgh reports that, in collaboration with Zhejiang University, China, Dr. Alex Lee and team have created a quick-thinking quadruped that has the ability to use pre-learned skills to respond and adapt to previously unseen situations. There is no way to predict or simulate every scenario a robot could encounter while fulfilling a task, so it must be equipped with adaptive skills that can be applied effectively in unexpected situations, says the article. The solution developed by the project is a new learning process whereby deep neural networks are combined to produce a new kind of adaptive ability. In combining several deep neural networks, the researchers found the resultant system to be more than the sum of its parts. It was actually able to learn new skills which none of the deep neural networks possessed individually. This new system is termed Multi-Expert Learning Architecture, MELA. Wired reports that a new artificial intelligence makes mistakes on purpose. Rather than trying to play chess better than humans, Maya, which is based on an open source version of DeepMind's AlphaGo, is rewarded for correctly predicting the moves that its human opponent will make, including moves that are bad ones. A system like Maya might have a lot of applications, including in healthcare. In the near term, Maya will be used as sparring partner and training tool for chess players. Researchers even speculated the system could be trained on data from a particular grandmaster and then learn to play in the style of that player. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye.